All right, let's take a start. I'm going to ask you some questions. This is IELTS speaking part 1. So you can give answer in a very friendly way. Be polite, take interest in the questions and answer in a friendly way. What do you do in your spare time?
Usually, I have many things to do in my free time, but it depends upon my mood, which I have to prefer or which I have to choose among them.
Listen, it depends on my mood which I have to prefer. It means you're talking about mood, which mood you have to prefer. But actually, you mean to talk about activities.
Activities.
So you should say it depends on
Upon
my
my
mood, whatever I would
would
like to do.
would like to
Right? So please answer again. What do you do in your spare time?
Usually, I have many things to do, but it depends upon on my mood, which I have to choose among my activities.
It depends on my mood, and
But-
from these activities, I
Yes.
have to choose
I have to
as
choose
per my mood.
as per my mood.
Okay, so try to simplify your ideas, your
Yes, sir.
thoughts, so that you could express them well. Let's go on. Do you like outdoor activities?
Yes, I like outdoor activities because it makes you feel fresh and it fulfills your
Listen, when I use the word outdoor activities, that is plural.
plural.
So you should use they for that.
Yes, sir.
They.
They.
Right? Now answer again. Do you like outdoor activities?
Yes, I like outdoor activities. By adopting these activities,
By adopting these activities.
adopting these activities, the people can become more powerful, energetic, and they have enthusiasm to do new things.
Okay.
And by the way, they are keeping themselves active, and they all have their attention in their works properly.
Okay, so now
So,
where is outdoor activities? You need to link
so-
your answer
so-
with outdoor activities.
So I'm
Okay.
connecting.
All right.
So I should prefer the outdoor I should say the outdoor.
I would.
Yeah, the question is, do you like? So that is why
That's
I
why
love
the
any type of outdoor activity.
activities.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
don't be so emotional.
No.
Okay. Let's go on. What outdoor activities do you like to do most?
I like to do I like to play badminton because it requires a lot of movement and energy to hit the shots and smashes, and it energizes me, and it is the best game I have ever played.
Okay, so to
So I
answer your
like
question,
to answer your
my
question,
favorite
game is-
outdoor activity is playing badminton
badminton.
with my friends.
My
Okay, good. One last question. How much time do you spend outdoors every week?
Every week,
Yeah, no, you don't need to calculate. Oh, how much time do you spend outdoors every week? I think around 8 to 10 hours I spend something like that. So, how much time do you spend outdoors every week?
around 12 to 13 hours in every week, because
Now, this is not the proper sentence, about 12 to 13 hours every week. I mostly spend 12 to 14 hours in a week outdoors because, and then give reasons. So,
I almost spend 13 to 14 hours in a week for outdoor activities, because in playing badminton, so there is a score. So for attempting or for attaining the full score, so there is a challenging competition among the two teams. So to approach the actual score, so it requires times. It vanishes our time. So
your answer is getting irrelevant to the question. Just mainly focus the amount of time you spend outdoor and what you do, and that's it. Now, you should not talk about things in other way. Then you're going to be off the topic.
Okay.
So you have the tendency to leave the topic and go off the topic. Try to stick to the main topic, elaborate a little, and then come back to it.
Okay.
When you go on and on and on, then you have off the topic answers. Okay. All right. Let's go on. Photography is your topic. Smile. Good. Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, most of the time like the photography because photos are make the memories for you, and as well that's why I'm like the photographers.
That's why I like
Like
photography,
photography.
and I like to take photographs.
Photographs.
Do you prefer to take photos yourself, or you want others to take your photos?
No, I usually I use myself because every person has the
Every person has.
different different angles to take the pictures. That's why I'm try to myself because
I try
to myself to take the pictures on and capture the real image of the items.
Okay. When did you become interested in photography?
I'm not understanding.
When did you become interested in photography? When I was a child,
When
I
I was
became interested in photography. I still remember I used to have a small camera and a digital camera, and I used to take photos of others. So since that time, I have always liked photography. When did you become interested in photography? Okay, let's go on. How often do you take photographs?
Most of the time in childhood, I take the photographs.
Now, it's not about childhood.
You see.
The question is, how often do you take photographs? I take photographs every day.
Every day.
Whenever there is something good, I wear nice clothes, nice shirt, I take a photo. If I go outside, I see something beautiful, I take a photo.
Indeed.
So almost on daily basis, I take photographs.
photograph.
Answer again. How often do you take photographs?
Usually, I take the photographs because I'm going to outside the amphi, then I'm see.
Whenever I see, I am see is wrong. I see.
When I will see the different things on the outside, that's why then I take the photo and I save in my computer
Okay,
as well.
I am take the photo is grammatically wrong. You should say I take the photo. We never use is MR with first form unless
I
there
take.
is ing form. Okay,
Yes,
so you need to focus your grammar, understanding of the question,
Yes.
and proper answer should be given. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.